How to render out multiple cameras at once with Blender Render Queue. As you can see here, I have a simple project with 3 cameras: the main camera, the picture camera, which is focusing on the picture frame, the window camera, which is looking through the window. And I've got the basic light animation that you can see here, and I want to render out the whole animation for all the 3 cameras. How to do it? You just have to go to Render, add to Blender Render Queue. The app will start up by itself. It will load your file, and once it's loaded, you can just right-click the item, queue multiple, and queue all cameras. Boom! You've got all your cameras here set up, and you just have to hit render. And since it's a standalone application, you can just go right back to Blender and maybe work on something else while it renders in the background. And once the rendering process has finished, you can just click on the status message here and it will jump straight up to your files. And as you can see here, I have 3 folders for each camera, and inside of them each image sequences for each camera. So yeah, pretty easy.